Amazing opportunity in an incredible neighborhood. Low HOA, all lawn care included. This like new, beautifully landscaped, meticulously well maintained, open floor plan home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Master suite has a spacious walk-in closet, with private bathroom/shower combo. Second bathroom is centrally located in the home for other residents and guests with shower/tub combo. Backyard rear vinyl fence provides privacy while you enjoy the sunset in the evening. Conveniently located just south of Tampa in the community of Vista Palms. Community features sidewalks throughout, walking nature trails, gravity/resort style community pool with hot tub/jacuzzi and splash pad area, playground, rentable entertaining space, gym, locker rooms, billiards table, and kitchen area. Community hosts events for holidays occasionally with frequent food trucks for a variety of social outings to meet your neighbors. Close to grocery, shopping, and dining options. Low HOA fee of $73 monthly covers all weekly landscaping services.